Hi, I'm Victor Font. Today's lesson is where the rubber meets the road. We're going deeper into the Formidable Forms database schema to understand how it handles metadata. Knowing how the metadata schema works will give you insights into how your form entry data is stored, retrieved, and displayed in Formidable Forms. This knowledge can be invaluable when you're designing custom features or troubleshooting database issues within WordPress.
As discussed before, metadata is essentially data about data. In Formidable Forms, metadata provides structure and context to each form and the submissions it generates. It allows Formidable Forms to manage a vast range of form settings and field customizations, as well as additional data that doesn't fit neatly into the main content fields. Metadata here can include properties like form styling, field options, submission details, and conditional logic settings. Formidable Forms relies on a handful of key database tables to store metadata, each with a distinct purpose. Let's walk through the main ones. Form fields stores metadata related to individual form fields, such as labels, data type, and validation rules. Form forms. This table contains metadata about each form itself, including settings like form layout, pagination, and styling. Form items stores the actual form submissions. Each row here corresponds to a form entry, and it's linked to the form item metas table. Form item metas. This is the core table for submission metadata. It stores individual responses for each form field within a submission, allowing for a detailed breakdown of data by field. Let's start with the form fields table. Each row in this table represents a specific form field, such as a text input, dropdown, or checkbox. Key columns include ID, a unique identifier for each field, form ID. This links the field to its parent form in the form forms table. Field key, a unique key that developers use to reference the field programmatically, which is essential for customizations and software portability. Field type defines the type of input, like text, email, or file upload. Field options stores additional metadata as serialized data, including choices for dropdowns or checkboxes, default values, and conditional logic. The form forms table is where the main metadata for each form is stored. This includes columns like ID, the unique identifier for each form, name and description, basic metadata that helps label and describe each form for easy management. Options contains serialized metadata about the form's settings, such as pagination, styling classes, and permissions. Created at a timestamp for when the form was created, useful for record keeping and audits. Now let's examine how submission data is stored. The form items table holds a general entry for each form submission with fields like ID, a unique identifier for each submission. Form ID links the submission to its corresponding form. User ID optionally tracks the user who submitted the form, helpful for user-specific data. Created at the date and time of submission, crucial for tracking trends or filtering recent submissions. The form item metas table stores each individual field's data within a submission. Key columns include ID, a unique identifier for each metadata entry. Item ID links each metadata entry to a specific submission in form items. Field ID connects the metadata to a specific field in form fields. Meta value holds the actual data input by the user. So if a form includes a text field for a name, the meta value column will store the name submitted. So why is understanding this metadata schema useful? For one, it promotes data integrity. By knowing how Formidable Forms structures data, you can avoid conflicts or issues when creating complex forms or linking data between forms. It also allows for advanced customization and querying. You can extract, filter, or manipulate data more efficiently by interacting directly with the database. Lastly, understanding the metadata schema helps you to troubleshoot more effectively, identifying issues that might arise from duplicate entries, serialization errors, or other database-level problems.
The metadata schema in Formidable Forms allows for robust modular data management within WordPress. By separating form structure, field definitions, and individual submissions into distinct tables, Formidable Forms provides a system that can scale well and be easily customized. Whether you're building complex multi-step forms, integrating with external databases, or simply optimizing for performance, a solid grasp of this schema is crucial. In our premium content, I'm going to take you through optimizing Formidable Forms views and show you how you can leverage this knowledge to drive a business intelligence executive dashboard by taking advantage of the full capabilities of the RDBMS, which is only the beginning of Formidable's potentials in enterprise application development. Mastering this will give you the flexibility to build more powerful and responsive WordPress applications. Thank you for watching, and take care.